Hello everyone, back tuning in today's third video in Storm Watch for today's third video. So hotter air is going to be moving up from southern Europe over the next few days, and with it we're going to have instability as well. So we could well see some heavy showers or thunderstorms breaking out in the south over the next few days. Now, how widespread these storms are is still causing a lot of uncertainty. The models are changing from run to run, particularly with GFS. Sometimes it's going very wet for the south over the weekend. Other times it's actually looking reasonably okay with only isolated thunderstorms. So there's a lot of uncertainty about this. We're just going to have to take it day by day, I think. But I will talk you through the thundery potential going through the bank holiday weekend. Anyway, just to say that today's first two videos are both on the homepage. So we did the JMA 3 monthly forecast. That's taking us through the whole of the summer with the Japanese long-range model. And also on the homepage is look at the weather for the next week to 10 days as well. So have a look at those videos and see what you think. So we're going to start off Stormwatch by having a look at the radar picture from the weather outlook. We've got some precipitation already starting to get going. So there's rain moving in across East Anglia, and there's some rain down across the south of the country as well. Few bright colours there on the radar picture from the weather outlook, indicating quite torrential rain now between London and Oxford. Let's see if that's producing any lightning by having a look at the lightning detector. So actually we need to go to that one. And a few flashes are now appearing between London and Oxford. There's not many of them, but one or two flashes of lightning, rumbles of thunder going on between London and Oxford at the moment. You'll see but down across the continent, across the northern parts of France into the Low Countries, Belgium and Holland, have got a cluster of lightning there, so quite violent thunderstorms now across the northern parts of France, and some of those might clip in to southern and southeastern parts of the country overnight tonight. Here's today's stochastic pressure chart from the UK Met Office. This is the fact chart, which is the human interpretation of models by the forecasters at the UK Met. This is for midday tomorrow. So we've got this front. That's the front that's bringing the precipitation to the south and southeast right now. That's moving northwards. It's heading northwards. Because of tomorrow, it'll be across Wales and northern England, where it might get a little bit stuck. Actually, behind that, got a bit of a convergence line, so that could just spark off some more thundery showers in the southeast tomorrow. Excuse me. We go through to Saturday. And that front is still there across northern England and North Wales, but it's pretty much died a death now, so it'll weaken rapidly from Friday to Saturday. Notice Scotland is under high pressure, so going to be almost completely dry there, and a little bit of a convergence line down across the south. That might bring some heavy thundery showers or storms in towards the Channel and some southwestern parts of England. Fair amount of dry weather around on Saturday, I think. That Sunday, high pressure is up to the northeast. We're pulling in these very warm, if not hot, east to southeasterly winds, following the isobars back, and the air is going to be originating from somewhere like the southeastern part of the Mediterranean, flooding up across Europe. So it's going to be a very warm, if not a hot day. Low pressure is over France. I have got these convergence lines, but might be threatening more heavy showers or thunderstorms into the south and the southwest. And then that's the fact chart for bank holiday Monday. Still in the same broad pattern with high pressure over Scandinavia, still bringing in these very warm to hot east to southeasterly winds. And we do have these little convergence lines within that flow, which will enhance the risk of showers or thunderstorms. Exactly where those convergence lines are, though, to trigger those storms, it's going to be the uncertain factor. All we can say is the further south you go, the more likely you are to get thunderstorms over this bank holiday weekend. So this is how the GFS is looking for midnight tonight. We've got the high pressure up to the north of the country, bringing in these east to southeasterly winds. It all looks rather unstable across England and Wales. The precipitation forecast looks like that. Heavy showers through East Anglia into parts of the Midlands, through southern parts of England as well. Those showers could get a little bit more intense through the second half of the night. Some quite deep blue colours there, indicating perhaps almost torrential rain for a few parts of the Midlands. It is showery in nature, so it'll be one of those nights where some places could get a drenching, and just down the road you might manage to stay mainly dry. Not a huge amount of lightning and thunder tonight. There's very little cape and lifted, but don't be that surprised if you was to hear a rumble of thunder or see a flash of lightning at some point tonight down across the south. That rain moves northwards on Friday, taking the risk of storms, or I should say showery, thundery showers really. I don't think there'll be too many thunderstorms on this front. It takes the risk of thundery showers through the Midlands into northern England, where it does get a little bit stuck. It's also across Wales as well, but it's fizzling out through the course of the day, so it should turn lighter and more patchy through the course of tomorrow afternoon. Probably turning sunny in the southeast, and it is dry and sunny across Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. That's Saturday when we're in those easterly winds. Thundery showers and thunderstorms on Saturday could be mainly down in the southwest. I think there will be a lot of dry weather around on Saturday, so it's through the Channel and in the southwest that we have the greatest risk of thunderstorms. Most other places should stay dry, despite having a really high level of cape and lifted across England and Wales. Don't think we'll realise that thundery potential on Saturday. On Sunday, we have low pressure across the Bay of Biscay. That's trying to bring a more definitive area of storms out of France towards us. But this high pressure over Scandinavia is a very strong ridge, and it is fighting it off to some degree. Upper air temperatures on Sunday are very warm, if not hot, down in the south, and we have a growing risk through the day of thundery showers or thunderstorms breaking out across Wales and southwestern parts of England, possibly into parts of the Midlands as well. Notice for many northern and eastern parts it's mainly dry, but these storms could be really quite intense down in the southwest and into parts of the south and west Midlands on Sunday afternoon. High levels of cape, particularly so down in the south and the southwest. Then that's Bank Holiday Monday. Again, the same broad pack continues, looking very warm, if not hot. Upper air temperatures are very warm to hot. And through the day we get these thunderstorms generating in the south. There are fewer of them on this particular GFS run though than earlier GFS runs. So Bank Holiday Monday is still causing a lot of question marks about how widespread those showers and storms will become. They look quite isolated storms, just affecting far southern counties. High levels of cape and lifted again down in the south. So it really will be a case of just keeping an eye on how this develops, I think, over the next few days. A few high-res models. So this is the high-resolution arpège from the weather out. This is for midnight. We've got that area of showery rain through the Midlands and into parts of southeastern England. That gets quite heavy through the second half of the night into tomorrow morning across the Midlands. That might produce a rumble of thunder. But I don't think thunder is going to be all that great. Thunder potentially going to be all that great tonight. The band of rain moves north into northern England tomorrow and starts to die out as it does so. So we start Saturday mostly dry, but there's more showers and storms through the Channel and down across the southwest on Saturday. I think storms will be mainly in the southwest during the course of Saturday and in the Channel as well. Then we go through into Sunday, and that's how we look on Sunday, with more showers in the south and the southwest as well. They could be thundery, producing thunderstorms again, particularly parts of Wales, southwest England, central southern England. East and southeast England doesn't look like it's getting many thunderstorms up to Bank Holiday Monday. Anyway, as far as we can go, it's 6 o'clock in the morning on Bank Holiday Monday. This is the, what model are we looking at here? So this is Halam. Sorry about that, I got a bit mixed up which model we're looking at. This is high resolution Halam. This is again at midnight, showers through central southern parts of England into the Midlands, could be quite heavy. At times they push northwards into northern England and Wales tomorrow, where they tend to die out. More showers and this time storms coming in across the south and the southwest during the course of Saturday. That's as far as we can go to midday on Saturday, where the action really is across Wales, southwestern parts of England. And then finally we go through to the DWD Icon model. All of these models coming from the Weather Outlook. So again, this is at 9 o'clock this evening. We've got showers, possibly some thunder. We did see a few flashes on the radar picture between London and Oxford. Not widespread lightning and thunder at this stage, and there isn't great thundery potential, but certainly the rain could get quite heavy overnight tonight. Into tomorrow morning we find that rain pushes northwards into northern England, quite heavy for a time before kind of fizzles out. Then we go through to Saturday, when the action looks like it's across central southern England through to Wales, southwestern parts of England too. That could be thundery, it could be lightning and thunder in the southwest on Saturday. That's Sunday, when it looks like we could bring some quite intense storms into central and southern parts of England, possibly up to the Midlands on Sunday. This is a little bit more widespread with the showers and storms, seemingly, on Saturday and on Sunday too. And then we're going through to Bank Holiday Monday. As far as we can go is actually we can get to Tuesday. So this is Bank Holiday Monday afternoon. Not all that many storms at all on Bank Holiday Monday afternoon, you'll notice. So that's mainly dry for Bank Holiday Monday, but it's going to chop and change from run to run. And then we get to Tuesday, when an area of heavy storms moving across the south coast and into the Channel midday on Tuesday as the pattern continues. So it's a very uncertain one. Concentrating on tonight, there will be showers or longer spells of rain developing across central southern parts of England and Wales. Some of that could be heavy and thundery as it trundles northwards in towards Wales and the Midlands. There could be flashes of lightning, rumbles and thunder, but I don't think widespread storms are all that likely tonight. But if you do hear a rumble of thunder, see a flash of lightning, don't be all that surprised. That carries on northwards to northern England tomorrow, and it fizzles out through the course of the afternoon. Then Saturday, looks like the action is for Wales, southwest England and central southern England on Saturday. So in the southwest corner, could be some big storms there. Otherwise, a lot of dry weather. Sunday, we might get those thunderstorms becoming a little bit more widespread across parts of southern England, the Midlands, maybe into the southeast. And then Bank Holiday Monday, a big question mark at the moment about Bank Holiday Monday and just how widespread these showers and storms are going to become. Don't forget, if you get some lightning, safely take some pictures. We are happy to feature your lightning pictures in the video, so you can email them to us at gazlovers@gmail.com or share them on our social media accounts, and we will fit them into videos when we get the chance. But do make sure you take care, take precautions if you want to go outside and take pictures in the lightning during a thunderstorm. You do have to be very careful, because lightning can be really dangerous. Actually, it's always best to try and do it indoors. So that's how it's looking at the moment. Obviously, we'll keep monitoring this day by day, and should the situation change, particularly in relation to Bank Holiday Monday, we'll probably do another storm watch at some point over the weekend. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.